Go get Matthew. It used to be that they would sit and talk to you, Lexi.
I know.
Now Delvin learned how to run. Come on, Delvin. Maddie, where's Lexi? Show me Lexi. Show Delvin where Lexi is. Show me where Lexi is. Where's Lexi?
Right here. I'll follow you.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Does that mean you want one? Oh, do you want me to feed that?
Matthew, say please. Say thank you. Oh, Delvin.